MediaTek shares surged to their upper circuit on Thursday after the company announced a special dividend of 16 NT. At an investor conference the day before, the IC designer was optimistic on its growth prospects due to rising demand for 5G chips. In a bold and unprecedented move, it announced plans to distribute a fixed bonus dividend of 16 NT per share for each of the next 4 years.
As soon as the market opened on Thursday, shares of IC designer MediaTek soared to limit up at 1,185 NT. Amid rising demand for 5G, MediaTek reported revenue of 108 billion NT for the first quarter, with earnings per share at a record 16.21 NT.
We are working certainly on already 2022 capacity supply. We are seeing healthy smartphone end market demand and continue to believe global 5G smartphone shipments would exceed 500 million units this year.
With its prospects rosy, MediaTek has announced plans to pay a special annual dividend of 16 NT per share in each of the next 4 years. This means that this year it will pay a total of 37 NT instead of the original dividend of 21 NT, taking the yield rate to 3%. For MediaTek founder Tsai, that's a payout of 1.53 billion NT in dividends. MediaTek CEO Tsai could earn 14.7 million NT, and Deputy Chairman CJ share 152 million NT.
From this point of view, this move is equivalent to raising the payout ratio to more than 100%. Today, the firm's shares went limit up, which shows that everyone, and especially the market itself, approves and endorses the move. At the investor conference, they said that basically the payout ratio will be maintained between 80 and 85% over the next 3 years.
In a bold and unprecedented move, MediaTek has set a baseline for its dividends over the next 4 years. In response, a foreign brokerage has raised its target price for MediaTek to a whopping 2,000 NT. Amid the 5G revolution, MediaTek has turned in a stellar first quarter performance, and it's counting on special dividends to keep investors interested.